Hello guys, welcome to Tech Guys YouTube channel where we teach things related to technology and a host of other things. Now in this video I'm going to teach you how to stop high internet data consumption on Windows, how to save your internet data 2022. So without much ado, let's jump in. Welcome back. Now what I have here is 7 steps you can take. 7 steps to take to drastically reduce high internet data consumption on your Windows PC. The first step is setting the network as metered connection. If you come to this place, look at my network, click on properties, come to this place, you see set as metered connection is turned on. This is the first step we are going to take. The second step we are going to take is disable setting synchronization. Disabling setting synchronization. How does that one work? Come to this place, type settings. I think it should be this. Yeah, once you type settings, you come to accounts, sync your settings, so turn it off. Once you turn it off, this is the second step to reduce the internet data consumption, high internet data consumption, high one for that matter. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. This will help me encourage me to produce useful content, and you won't miss out on any updates which I have. Now the third step is turn off background apps. Turn off background apps. What do I mean? You go back to the same settings. This is settings. Once you go to settings, you go to what? Privacy. This privacy, go to background apps. Where is background apps? It should be here. Background apps. Yeah, see, it's background apps. Once you come here, you can turn it off. I turned it on because I want my Windows security to be on, to protect me from malware and a host of viruses. So if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off, all of them, or you turn it on and disable it individually, the ones you don't like. Now the first step I'm going to talk about is what? Turn off Microsoft auto update. Microsoft Store auto update. Come to this place, type Microsoft. Once you type Microsoft Store, you come to settings, let it load. Come to settings. Once you come to settings, you see where it says update apps automatically. It's turned off. I turned it off. This is the first step. Now the fifth step is disabling startup apps. How does that one work? Come to this place, click on task manager, come to startup. You disable any app that you don't use or you don't frequently use. You can disable because these apps consume their internet, not internet data, not even internet data. You can also drain your battery because it runs in the background, processes that runs in the background, so it can drain your battery. That's another one. That is another for another day. Now the first step I'm going to talk about is after disabling startup, which is the sixth step is pause and disable Windows update. What do I mean? Type Windows update here. Windows update settings. Okay, come to this place. Okay, come to advanced. See, I pause my own till January 24, 2022. That's when I pause it. I think you can pause it for 35 days. Okay, yes, 35 days. Look at the temporary pause updates from being installed on this device for up to 35 days. This is the period that is being allowed to pause update, the limit you can pause update. You can pause, and you can also disable it by going to services.msc abi, yeah, click on it, search, look for Windows updates, should be on W, Windows updates, it's Windows updates. So you can disable it, go to properties, you disable, apply, and click OK. Now to disable it, now to disable it. Then the next step, I've discovered pause and disable. Now the crucial one is turn off background intelligent transfer service. Also to go to services.msc. Okay, you can go click on services, go to background, it should be B, background intelligent. That's what I mean. Click on it, go to properties, click disable, apply, and OK. So I believe if you apply all these settings, it will save your valuable data. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. It will help me to produce useful content, and you won't miss out on any updates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.